Hello, I'm Sawyer. Every step I took brought me closer to life I live today. Weekly stable income and a growing real estate portfolio. You will learn everything inside my Telegram. Free lessons, free practice and my signals. Join my community and message me.
At the beginning, I entered randomly. No logic, no confirmation. A signal popped up, I was already in. Of course, those trades ended in losses almost every time, until I realized even 1 minute needs structure and order. Without it, you just react instead of analyze. For me, trading became a reflection of life. Control what you can, accept what you can't, build a process and trust it, even through chaos. Because consistency isn't the goal, it's the way. And that's what defines a real trader.
Let's open that long trade here. This is a very relatively good entry point for this trade. We are following the trend. Let's highlight the trading area. The movement is very dynamic here. I am more inclined to analyze and focus on technical movements here. Here we see that the pullbacks are approaching the midline, the moving average of our channel.
Stop guessing in trading, start learning. In my Telegram I give free lessons, strategy breakdowns and 80% win rate signals every day. Join the Sawyer community, let's grow together.
Here we see a fairly strong pullback, and accordingly after this pullback we will open a long trade. I think I'm absolutely right here, and our trade should close in profit. Two good pullback is in place because the movement has already crossed the moving average, and in theory it should already be reversing. If you understand how Bollinger Bands works, you understand me perfectly, and as I said, the deal closed smoothly and we made a profit.
But there are days when I lose patience. I see the setup early and rush in, only to watch it reverse. It's funny how 1 minute can expose all your impatience. I used to blame the market, now I blame my timing. Awareness is the cure of impulse.
Let's open a long trade right here, why not? I don't think there is anything wrong with that. I think the moment will move higher. Let's highlight the working area. This is a very interesting entry point. We see a very strong price pullback and then we see a touch of the lower moving average. We are very confident that the RSI is exiting the oversold zone, so I think we should definitely open a long trade here. We also have a good touch point. Overall, let's watch the outcome. The candle has already provided its main moment, so the trade could close at this level, more or less, and in theory this is possible and should be expected. We have 10 seconds left and so far I am completely satisfied with the movement of this candle. The most important thing is that there wasn't a downward impulse in the final seconds. It didn't happen and the trade smoothly in profit.
Some traders chase revenge wins. I used to do that too, double size after loss. It never worked. The problem was mental, not mathematical. Now I repeat slowly, step by step, because confidence grows quietly, not explosively.
Making consistent profit isn't like it's knowledge. That's why in my Telegram I teach strategies step by step and give daily signals with strong accuracy. Join the Sawyer community and learn how to trade like pro.